Hello, this is Enecuum News. I am Serge. Unfortunately, today I am again without Roman. So, uh, Roman asked to tell that everything is okay with him because plenty of people were worried and wrote to him. So thanks for attention. Roman now is on recovery from a scheduled surgery, so everything is okay. He just needs a little bit more time to return to usual activities. So I will go straight to this week news. And all of them will be about space bridge because this is our main goal. So first of all, this week we updated Bit network. During the update, transaction history was removed. And the goal of the update was to add additional data indexing and a new API to share bridge history. So this is like a backend for future history service. We spoke about this history service in the last episodes of Enecuum News. So now it is only for adding to the nodes, to user interface, blockchain explorer, and app and space web app interfaces. It will be added later after the release. So next topic. After this Bit update, we experience bridge validator instability. It might be connected with our previous week changes that were bringing future integration support, like with various dApps, like Ethereum-based dApps, maybe our own dApps for DVRF, our pre-S2E22 project. So now we need to fix these issues with validator. So this is our current work in progress. Also, additional to extensive bug report, we received a suggestion not to make SB prefix for rapid tokens and preserve token names between networks. So it is very easy to do. Just we need to know community opinion on this topic. So we will make a quick voting next week, I think, because there are arguments against and for this change. Again, this was from BANT token team. Thanks for this suggestion and other testing. To the next topic. This week we improved handling of account switching in Enecuum Chrome extension. It is not released yet, so you cannot see it in app.nx.space because we are waiting for validator fixes. I just talked about it. So I hope in a couple of days, like the beginning of the next week, it will be available. Now it is better to wait with tests, not to mess with bridge. Better not to mess with bridge now, or use separate wallets for tests before we roll out, deploy these update for accounts switching. Next, we decided to make one more step towards earlier release of the bridge. So we will not distribute POS Docker images before the Pulse update. It will save a lot of time for us. So for previous update, we made and we distributed Docker images before the fork block, but it cost us a lot of time, effort, but at the end didn't work as planned. So now we will, from the beginning, aim for some downtime of the network to make all forks. We will need 3 of them to make all changes, including enabling ENX via the bridge and creating station drop farm for space station activity. So this all needs forks in the blockchain. And after all these changes, we will build, test, and distribute POS images. And the last thing, apart of validator fixes, now we are preparing tests on a copy of Pulse network node, Pulse network history mainnet. So we will conduct a series of tests, including enabling of ENX and station, just to prepare for the mainnet release. And let's check if we have questions in chat or voice chat. I don't see any questions. So questions from the web form will be with Roman, as I said last time, so it will take one more week. I hope next session will be in our traditional pair with Roman. So thank you for your attention, and let's meet next week. Goodbye.